this roof, all these holes, we need to replace them soon with the new panels, with the new aluminium panels. This Spherovit, we need to
What
take
did
it.
you say?
Spherovit.
We're working on replacing some parts that are old parts from the roof, and we took out many things from inside that were already rotten and has some rust through the leaking, and we still have some parts where we have to still take out, but this is what happens. Like, this is just a single panel of the aluminium, but ideally the best is to replace with the new aluminium, but it costs a lot of money because we have to do the whole part of the roof. So instead of doing that, we bought some other sealing compounds that we can work by just kind of painting over on the holes you see, but these are a bit bigger holes that cannot be like sealed with this compound, so we probably have to really then use the aluminium, but not as a like a thick aluminium, but like a small one to just place in the one spot at one time, and probably buy several seats to fill these bigger holes. Sealing compounds. These are all the kind of like the tools that we use. These were like a sandpaper that we use this, to take out. I don't know if we have a footage, but yeah. We also use this to help the taking out the things from the rooftop. But this is actually acetone free, so it's something functioning like acetone to take off the nails polishing, but this is not so chemical, so it was not so efficient for us.